welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday, November 23rd, and I decided that I was going to do my first unboxing slash review of some diamond trays that I got from Bella Art D Nicole. Hopefully I am saying that correctly, but I wanted to go ahead and do this video because I wanted to share with you all how these trays have saved my life, and I haven't even been using them for more than an hour. So welcome on in. Hello. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. We are really sick here in our house. I got two kids that are down with colds and fevers, and thank goodness we're not having a whole lot of people over for Thanksgiving, but um, it is kind of just, heartbreaking that the kids do have to be sick around the holidays. But welcome on in. If you are new to the channel, I am Chris, only being Chris. But you can call me Chris because that's what everybody calls me. So today we are going to take a look at Bella Art D Nicole and the trays that I got. So I wasn't able to find the trays online anymore. I think they may have sold out, but these trays that I'm going to show you are the new Candy Blast semi-translucent and sparkly one set. So there's two smalls plus two lids and one large plus one lid. And I don't remember how much it cost because I don't remember. Okay. But anyway, I was very excited to go ahead and find this in my mailbox today. Kind of just like brightened up the whole day with everybody being sick and stuff. Um, but I love the colors and I want to show you all. So very happy with the purchase. Not only did we get a card, and I'm definitely going to leave a review, um, we also got this beautiful butterfly little sticker there. So I'm going to put this actually on my water bottle. I think I'm going to do that. Or put it on my journal where I keep all my stickers at. So let's put that aside. So here are the trees. And they're stackable. These are my first stackable trays with a lid, with a spout, and it has saved me from so many headaches. I'm just going to let you know right now because I am the girl, the woman, the lady here in this diamond painting community that spills drills all the time. Like I have them on my floor, they're embedded in my rug, la 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 la. So I did start using these. I'm working on a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. It is called The Snowman Let It Snow. Oops, I got a couple dimes in there. Oops. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so I like how it goes on. I think it's going to take a little bit of work for me to get used to. But I do like the fact that these diamonds kind of just go in here, and it's kind of like the perfect like size to like hold it, if that makes any sense. I feel really comfortable holding it. The spout little stopper thing, I don't know what you call it. This is going to take me a little getting used to. I feel like the more I use it, the better it will feel. Put the little stopper thing back in there. But I like this. I like that they're stackable as well. They are stackable. So they are the two small ones. And then we have the large one, which I haven't even looked at yet. But again, I just like the curve over here. And I also like right here where they have this little, I don't know what you would call that, but it kind of helps the diamonds from getting stuck in the corner of the tray. So this is going to be good because I have a lot of color blocking in this next diamond painting that I am doing. And we have a lot of colors. So I am so happy with these. Don't mind my nails, my friends. But I have three special trays. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any special trays that you really like. I've heard such great things about this company. I actually was watching a YouTube video. I cannot remember who it was that I was watching, but I've been doing a lot of diamond painting like days where I'll just sit there and just binge watch everybody's channel, like their videos and all that good stuff. But I do want to help support small companies, so I will be doing that. So I'm really happy with these three trays. I love the colors. Um, I think there is like a I don't know what it is. I can't really see if it's like a butterfly of some sort. I believe it is a butterfly. Yes, it is. That is so cute because there's butterflies on here as well. So my first three trays, and I like the feel of them. They're just they feel like great quality. Now this tray, what's going on with this tray? Am I not doing it right? Hold on. Is it not? Oh, I don't. Oh, there we go. So you kind of have to. I don't know about that tray. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I'm gonna have to finagle. I feel like it's not like if you put it this way. So this tray topper, you kind of pull out, and there's sort of like no wiggling room. But the top one, I feel like it's not. Unless I'm not doing it right. Like I said, it's my first. Here we go. Here we go. There you go, Chris. Okay. I didn't want to scare myself. But yes, so I think these are going to be great because, like I said, I drop a lot of diamonds. My name should be Spilling Diamonds. It really should be. But yes, there you go. And it's so much easier pull out. Sorry. It's so much easier pouring the diamonds back into the containers. So I'm really, really, really happy about that. But yes, I really like these. I'm going to do some more unboxing. I have a pen coming in, and I also have some putty, scented putty. I call it scented putty. That's coming in soon as well, and I can't wait to go ahead and try it out. So thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. I hope everybody stays healthy this holiday season. It is only beginning. Um, a lot of people are getting sick, which my heart breaks. But everybody stays healthy. Hopefully, you all have a very nice Thanksgiving if you're celebrating. If not celebrating, I hope that you just have a great day. And I send you all like the positive vibes and hugs and stuff. And thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel and you're thinking about subscribing, I think you should. I think you should. I think we have a lot of fun here. So I love you all. I do. I do. I love you all. And I'll see you all in the next video, my friends. All right? You have a great day. See you later, my friends. Bye.